Stimulated? I hope so. Let's have a look at another painting. This is by Edouard Manet, and it's an impressionist work, and it shows the city of love's quiet neighbourhood of Batignolles. This somewhat gentle setting presents a young man courting a woman in the famous restaurant and cabaret Chez La Pierre, La Tuile. Now, of course, I apologise, especially if you're French. I apologise for my pronunciation. But I hope you enjoyed or liked the painting. It's a painting about passion. I'll put it up on the side of me. Here's the first thing I'd like you to do. I would like you to find an unsolved problem and brainstorm ideas until you determine a solution. Brainstorm? Have a look at this brief clip.
Right braining. Release your creative thoughts by doodling incomplete images. Think of a general topic to doodle from and start sketching images associated to that topic. Be sure to draw images that are incomplete, as leaving out portions or aspects of an image can spark creativity later. Then take your different images and try combining them in different ways to generate a new idea. Provocative actions. Look at things differently by changing your physical surroundings or by verbally communicating in unexpected ways. Try shaking things up. Physically change a room by turning the chairs upside down or verbally make an off-the-wall comment. For example,
Could you design upside down?
What does the word design look like upside down?
either way, unusual situations will ignite creative responses that you can pull ideas from.
Now, with the problem that you've identified, maybe brainstorm it with a friend. Come up with some ideas together. Remember, no ideas are irrelevant. No points are irrelevant. Jot them down, rather like a mind map. Jot them down on a piece of paper. Post the problem in the question answer section for this lecture.